Hello everybody, today in front of me I have the Xiaomi Redmi Pad, and in this video I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to begin with, I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the face recognition option. So launch settings, then over here enter the password and security category. After that, tap on the face unlock field, click on next, choose what backup screen lock method you would like to go with it. I'll go with pattern. Then enter the password that you will use. In my case, I'll draw the pattern, then confirm it by re-entering it, thus redrawing, confirm. After that, we'll be able to start enrolling the face. So in order to do that, you gotta just place your face inside the frame you'll get next, the camera frame, and wait until the system gets it scanned. So I will do it off the screen real quick. Already, my face has been successfully enrolled. Now we can just go ahead and test it out, see how well it works. So I'll lock the screen, align the selfie camera with my face. As you can see, the screen gets unlocked once I will find the right angle. Obviously, the screen lock feature on this tablet is neither reliable nor advanced, so it might not work sometimes, but whatever. The next option for this video is located at the display category. It is called the refresh rate, and two values that you can switch manually, 60 or 90 Hz. So higher value, as you can see from this little preview, will get you smoother and silkier animations while draining more power. So if you would like for some of these values to be set manually, just go for it. But you can also always set it to be at the default mode, which basically means that those two values will be automatically switched based on scenarios to balance performance with power consumption. So going next, the feature that I wanted to show you as a third one for this video is located at the accessibility category. So let me enter the additional settings, then in here I'll have the accessibility, then go for the vision magnification. So turn on the shortcut for it. As you can see, the small shortcut appears right over here. Basically activate it through tapping on the shortcut. Tap with your finger at the exact spot you would like to zoom into, and well, increase the zoom scale by doing the following swipe. You can also change the mode for it, a magnification feature, by tapping on this little icon over here. Then you'll provide it with this moving zone that you can rotate across your screen and choose to and use this little window rather than whole display as your zoom-in space, should I say, whatever. Inside this window you can also increase the zoom scale like so, and once you're ready to quit the magnification, just tap on the same shortcut, this one. Alrighty, the next small tip is related to the battery. As you can see right now, I do not have the percentage over here, so if you would like to turn on and make it visible, make the battery percentage visible, you just gotta go to the notification and control center category of settings, then status bar, then battery indicator, and well, either place it inside the battery or right next to. You can also remove the battery whatsoever from here and show that as a green line at the top part of your display, but I'll just set it to be at this mode. Alrighty, so next and final fifth tip for this video, you can access through the additional settings category. It is called the memory extension, and it allows you to add additional 2 GB of RAM to the default 4 you have by they will be virtual, not hardware obviously, and it will do so by occupying the respective amounts of your ROM or internal storage. So if you would like to increase the random access memory you have, just switch on this toggle and reboot the system. And once the tablet gets rebooted, we'll be able to see that those additional 2 GB were successfully added. So let's wait. Alrighty, so the tablet was successfully rebooted. So let me quickly I'll go for the specifications page and see whether the memory extension feature worked. So about tablet, all specs, and here it is. So as you can see, 4, it says 4 plus 2. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.